Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily import reviews from Amazon to Shopify. So of course, to start, just head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you log into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com and in the Shopify App Store, just search for Amazon review, then just press enter. So from the list of apps, we're just going to try and use this Amazon Reviews by App.io. So the next thing we're going to do is click on install. Just grant access permissions and click on install. So from the dashboard, just scroll down, then click on get your first reviews. Also make sure that your product is already existing on Shopify. Then all you have to do is head over to Amazon, then look for the product or the same product that you want to get the review from. So in this example, I'm going to use this elf face brush and all you have to do is copy the link, Control A to select all, then Control plus C to copy the link, then going back in this enter URL section, just paste by pressing on Control plus V. Then just click on import. So as you can see here, reviews from Amazon has already imported on our Shopify product with 4.7 star rating. And to customize reviews, just click on settings. So from here, you can increase the quantity of reviews per import by dragging this. Say if we only want 10 reviews, we can just drag it. And you also have an option here to just import images and video reviews only. And if you want auto publish reviews after imported, then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!